Unlock seamless global payments by learning how to effortlessly move money from your bank account straight into your Wise account. First things first, open your Wise app or head to the Wise website and log into your account securely. Once logged in, tap on the Send button. This is your gateway to initiating a new money transfer. Now tell Wise how much you want to send and which currencies you're transferring from, and you'll instantly see the real exchange rate and any fees, all up front. For this method, select Bank Transfer. As your payment option, this ensures your funds come directly from your traditional bank. Wise will then provide you with the specific bank details you need to use for your deposit. Make a note of these details. They are crucial for the next step. Now, switch over to your online banking app or log into your bank's website. Navigate to your usual payments or transfers section. Here's where you'll use those Wise-provided details. Carefully enter the recipient bank, account number, sort code, or IBAN as instructed by Wise. Enter the exact amount you wish to send, ensuring it matches the transfer amount you configured in your Wise account. Double-check all the details, the amount, the recipient's bank information. Once you're certain, confirm and complete the transfer from your bank. Head back to your Wise app or website, and you'll see your transfer progress. Wise will notify you when the funds have arrived and are ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your bank to Wise, ready for your next international money transfer or payment.